Welcome aboard and thank you for choosing London Air. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened securely. Please place your carry-on items in the overhead lockers or under the seat in front of you. The safety demonstration will begin shortly. Please remove your headphones and pay close attention. In the event of an emergency, oxygen masks will drop from the panels above. All large electronic devices must be switched off. They must be placed in the overhead lockers for takeoff and landing. Please return to your seats. Make sure your tray tables are in their upright position and locked. We will be landing in approximately 15 minutes. We will be starting our in-flight service shortly. We are experiencing some turbulence. Please remain seated and keep your seatbelt fastened. Please make sure your seatbelt is securely fastened for landing. We kindly ask that you refrain from using the toilets during taxiing, takeoff, and landing. Please follow the illuminated exit signs in the event of an emergency. We hope you have had a pleasant flight. And choose to fly with us in the near future. Fasten your seatbelt by placing the metal fitting into the buckle. Then adjust the strap. A life vest is located under your seat. Inflate the vest by pulling down on the red toggle. The vest can be manually inflated. Please remain seated until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please use caution when leaving the aircraft. Please use caution when opening the overhead lockers. Heavy items may have shifted during the flight. If this video has been useful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.